The Coros Space 2. Some would say that this is the most value for money sports watch that you can buy. Some say that this watch lacks some of the big brands' features. We'll see about that. Hi, I'm Yair. Welcome to my channel, Run With My Dog. If you find this video useful, please give me the thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you will be notified when videos like this one will be released in the future. So today we'll talk about the Coros Space 2 and we'll unbox it and we'll go over some of its basics, the screen clarity, some of the menus and the basic sports activity. Stay tuned for my in-depth review that will be released soon. So let's unbox this one. The price for this watch is $199. You can find it on Amazon. I will include a link to this product in the description section down below. So this is the watch itself. As you can see here, I have the silicone band. You can also buy this version with the nylon band or you can buy it separately. So here in the box, Coros is claiming that this is the lightest GPS watch that you can find. Which is weighs only 29 grams with the nylon band. Since this is the silicone band, it weighs a little bit more. It also have a training platform that you can access free training plans created by Coros Pro athletes. It has a 24/7 heart rate monitor. It has a barometric altimeter built in, which is quite nice because most other models in this price point, you won't get the barometric altimeter. And also you can pair it with external sources such as N+ and Bluetooth, like bike power meters, running pods, speed and cadence sensors, and much more. Also, this exclusively has track running, which Coros is claiming that this is the first of its kind algorithm built for most accurate data on the track. Coros have pre-installed some watch faces on the watch. You can store up to 5. So here you can see all the pre-installed ones. You can also download more watch faces from the Coros app. You can create your own or download from external sources. I think that it's because Coros want to preserve battery. They are limiting the watch face creation only to watch faces that they verify themselves. So here you can see I have some digital ones with more data or less data. Let's say we'll select this one. And here I can also play with this color, the accent. Let's go for this one. You can see probably looks very nice. The watch includes 2 buttons. The first one is this digital dial that you can see. It's very similar to the Apple Watch. You can just navigate up and down, and also when you enter the menus. Also you can click this one whenever you want to access your training menu. This button is most of the time you can use it as a back button, but if you'll hold this, you can access the settings menu. Here in the menu you have the compass, the timer, metronome, broadcast HR, and some other features. If you access the battery usage, you can see I have 18% remaining. It's estimating to have 3 days left and the max use of 4 days. I can run with this watch using GPS for 5 hours, and the last time I charged was 8 days ago. Also, you have a nice breakdown of which one is draining the battery the most. Here you can see that the backlight is draining most of the battery, also the GPS workout, the daily heart rate, the indoor workouts, and the Bluetooth drains it just a little bit, also the notifications. Stay tuned for a future video about detailed battery usage that I test it every day. Coros is claiming that you can get up to 20 days of regular use with this watch. Personally, I don't know what regular use is. I assume that you can only use it as a watch for 20 days without any activity. Also, they are claiming that you can use the watch for 30 hours of GPS usage and 60 hours in Ultra Max mode. The Ultra Max mode will sample your GPS once in every minute instead of once in every 5 seconds, I think. And it can save a lot of battery life, especially if you are an endurance runner, you do an ultra marathon or something similar to that. The charging time is less than 2 hours. You can charge this one using the attached cable. It's a 3-pin cable, very similar to the Garmin charger. You just plug it here on the back and you can charge this one. We took it outside for a test. Here you can see it on my wife's wrists. The Apple Watch has an OLED screen, while the Garmin Vivo Active 4 and the Coros Space 2 has an always-on memory LCD. You can see here in direct sunlight that both devices are quite clear. In my opinion, the Coros Space 2 is a little bit more readable. Also, you can see in the shade outside, you also see them quite nice. Here you can see also an example of an activity. Both devices supposed to be readable in direct sunlight and also in different conditions such as a cloudy day. Okay, that was my first impressions of this watch. So far, I'm quite impressed with this one. It packs a lot inside and it gives me a lot of data, metrics. I get power meter. It's very lightweighted. It feels a bit plasticky, but it doesn't feel cheaply made. And I really look forward to check this one in my long-term review. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing it by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notifications when the long-term review of this watch will be released. Tell me about your experience. Do you have any Coros watch? Maybe you haven't heard about this company before. Please share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a good one.